Hello friends, welcome back to the another video of Survey Karo and Paise Kamao. And this video is dedicated for our international user. So please, if you are watching from India and you are think that why he is speaking so much Hindi instead of speaking Hindi, so please cooperate and support me for my effort. So here I am going to start the video. So friends, here you can see that I earned 150 this month by taking survey, and my target goal is 200 in a month, and there is only 6 days remaining, but I am try very hard that to reach my target, and it is not so much a big target to achieve me, and I think I can achieve it very easily and without any tension. And this is totally work from home, you don't need to go anywhere, so it is best and you can do it, and I will show you that how can you earn that kind of money with you and sitting your home. So first of all, here is the proof. You can see that I am going to show you from the date of 3 August to 24 August. One by one I can show you my screenshot. You can see, and if you don't believe then you can pause and then verify, and then you can see and understand that this is not a fake, and of course this is 100% real and genuine, and you can also earn. So I will show you the total calculate amount in different various kind of survey activity, where you can see which one give me how much money. Okay, and there is the bottom line. As you can see that top survey, first of all you have to see this amount. In this month I have totally earned $155, and in those total money I earn $82 from top survey, and this is why I like top survey very much, because it is one of the best service application I have ever seen. And the second one is ATTAPOLL, where I earned $36.15. And then after, Prime Opinion is the third highest paying amount for me. And in the fourth number, you can see that Heycash, which gives me $8. And the last is TGM Research. This is not application. This is a website where you can register yourself and then you can do survey and earn money. And you can see that I have earned $3 in this platform. So if you want to earn like this amount, you can go to my description and click the link and download every survey. And this is not a and download every application, and this is not a application, this is a website. You have to register yourself in this website to earn money. Okay, so what are you watching for? Go and grab this offer and earn like this amount. And I am sorry for my English, because I know this is very bad, because I am learning. I think I will learn English very fast if I make video daily. And so guys, please support me and subscribe my channel to to increase my confidence. Thank you.